All my life, I used to be one of those guys. Someone who could eat anything they wanted and never put on a pound. But then, inexplicably, when I hit my mid-50s, something changed. I think my metabolism slowed imperceptibly. So one day I was looking at some pictures of a recent pool party we had thrown, and I was puzzled to see a guy with a protruding belly wearing my bathing suit. So when I zoomed in to see who it was, the sickening realization was that it was me. So I vowed to shed my excess fat right then and there. And so for many months I tried exercising the weight off, then dieting the weight off, and despite my best efforts, the scale refused to budge. It consistently read 30 pounds overweight. And for the first time in my life, I began to understand the challenges of weight loss. Back then, like everyone else, I believed that weight gain and obesity were caused by overeating. But after years of research and first-hand experience, I realized that that line of thinking was all wrong. That belief was just a magician's sleight of hand created by the diet, food, and pharmaceutical industries to take the focus off the real cause of weight gain and obesity. See, the truth is, millions of so-called ordinary weight people are not only obese, they're dangerously obese. Because despite what we have been told, obesity is not a weight issue. It's a health issue. We are living amid the absurd paradox of being overfed and undernourished. Our modern industrialized societies have managed the dubious goal of eradicating hunger only to replace it with malnutrition. Because even though we're getting lots of calories, at the cellular level, where it really matters, we are virtually starving. Through years of research, personal experience, and observation, I've come to understand obesity's actual cause and its true cure. As you'll see, to lose unwanted fat and maximize your health, there is nothing you need to buy, nor any nonsensical diet you need to follow. I wrote this book because we most urgently need to wake up from our food-induced coma. The food industry has manipulated us into becoming sleepwalking, junk food eating automatons. And it's not only destroying our health, but it's destroying the future health of our children.